Being a good mayor has gotten Mayor Kit Nieto of Cainta Rizal free donuts. In a Facebook post, Nieto shared he was having a meal at the mall's food court when a man came to him and handed him a box of donuts. Nieto, however, failed to get the man's name. Fortunately, Cainta netizens helped solve the mayor's problem. They helped identify the generous donut kuya.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.